pretty sure this is going to be my last Wantable for a while. Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann. Today is a Wantable day and I'm pretty sure this is going to be my last Wantable for a while. I'm going to put it on pause for a little bit and I'm going to try something different. And I'm not sure what that is. I may try front door fashion. I may give Fathom another try. I might do both. Let's get into this box. Let me show you what I got. It literally busted open as I was trying to get it out. We will start with this waffle knit collar top in Mocha by Lush. And I very recently got, not this style, but this exact color and this exact knit. I think mine was, I'm pretty sure mine was in a cardigan that I did not keep. I like this, it's okay. We'll see how it looks. Nice fall color. And here is just a plain olive v-neck tee. Sonoma v-neck slinky tee in Olive Night by 78 and Sunny. This is the Tucker Sweater in Heather Toast by Gentle Fawn. That's a new brand to me. It's cute, v-neck, looks a little oversized. It's got an interesting stitching detail at the neck. Next is the v-neck 3/4 sleeve rib top in black by W by Wantable. I'm always drawn to these kind of little t-shirts that you can wear 100 different ways with 100 different things. It's very, very thin, not see-through, but just very, very thin. So a great layering piece for different weather. Next is the buffalo check cardigan sweater in black by Bygos. This is really cute. V-neck, looks a bit oversized with the buttons down the front. Last two things, this is the high-rise slim straight in Cinnamon by Kinsey. I like the color. Pretty fall color. I don't have anything in this color. It's got a raw edged hem. No distressing whatsoever. Oh yes, there is. There is distressing on the left pocket over here. And then last are the high-rise straight crop in black by Flying Monkey. And I like these. Any distressing on these? Very, very raw edged hem. These are cute. This looks like it might be a good box, a good fall box, even though it's winter. Let me go try them on and we will see what we think. I'll be right back. Okay, these are the high-rise skinny straight in Cinnamon by Kinsey and the Sonoma v-neck slinky tee in Olive Night by 78 and Sunny. I think it's I like the pants, I do. This, super comfortable, very soft. All right. What do you think about doing something like this? My scarf, my cardigan from another box, and don't pay attention to I just am hurrying up trying to do this, but I would do something like this with this. Ideally, if I had a scarf that had this color pants, that would be good, but this is just something for me to think about. So let me know what you think. I almost forgot. My stylist, last time I had Scott, and I thought he did a pretty good job, and I have him again. But let me tell you about, not this. T-shirt is $46, which I think is a lot for just this t-shirt. And then these are $58, which is not bad. Hadn't let you know that, but this is the waffle knit collar top in Mocha by Lush. It's $48. And I actually like this more than I thought I would. I like the length. I like that it's short like this. There's the... Okay. This is the Tucker Sweater in Heather Toast by Gentle Fawn, $79. And the pants are the high-rise straight crop by Flying Monkey jeans. I like the distressing. I like it more than I thought I was going to like it. I like the length. I did request these, and I requested the other jeans, and then I also requested the buffalo cardigan, which I don't remember any of it, but that's what Scott said on my note. So anyway, here is this. Okay, again, the Flying Monkey jeans, and then I have on the v-neck 3/4 sleeve top in black, W by Wantable. This too is $48. Did I tell you the right price? Oh, the Mocha top was $48. The t-shirt was $46. This one's $48. And then the Buffalo Check cardigan by Vigos is $69. And here's the 3/4 sleeve t-shirt, or tank, I guess they're calling it. I think it's cute. I've got a lot of black tanks, very similar to this. I do like it, but I like the first sweater. Actually, I liked both sweaters. And I really like the buffalo. Let me know what you think. And I'll be right back with the wrap up. Okay, let's see what we think. I love this. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna keep this. I'll tell you that I think this with black jeans, the black top, and a pop of red purse or red booties, or I think it would be so cute, red scarf. Pretty sure I'm gonna keep this. I really liked this. I remember what I got the last time that was this exact material and color was a cardigan, and I didn't like it in a cardigan, but for some reason this seems better. It seems more appealing to me than the cardigan. I think what I said about the cardigan was that thought it felt cheap, so I don't know what my deal is. This is cute, but it's just your basic tee. I'm not gonna do that. I think this is really pretty too, and I liked it better on than I thought I would, but I've got, as you can see, I've got so many sweaters in the tan and camel, and these jeans, I really liked them. A little tight, but I did like them. But I did just get a pair of black jeans. I think it was last week in either my Stitch Fix or my Transcend box that I kept. And this, like I said too, I think it's cute, but I have several just like this. And then these I think are really cute. I just don't know that I would have a ton of things to go with this. I'm gonna think about it because they're a good price. You can wear these two together and it's kind of Halloween-y. I'll have to think on those. Let me know what you think, and I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.